Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the Hyatt Regency Clearwater Beach Resort and Spa, one of the most popular beachfront hotels on Florida's Gulf Coast. If you're planning a trip to Clearwater Beach or just love exploring beautiful resorts, this one is definitely worth sticking around for. As soon as you pull up to the resort, you're greeted by a pink-hued high-rise that blends perfectly with a beach town vibe. Self-parking is $36 per night, while valet will set you back $40. Inside, the lobby is bright, airy, and coastal inspired, with tons of natural light and friendly staff ready to get your vacation started. During our stay, it was beautifully decorated for Christmas, which made it feel even more warm and welcoming. At check-in, we were offered welcome champagne, always a nice touch, even though there wasn't much seating in the lobby to hang out for long. Check-in was quick, and we headed up to our room, excited to start our weekend getaway. Room rates here can run around $500 per night on weekends, so it's definitely on the pricier side. Let's check out room 1203. This is a king premium room. So first, let's take a look at the closet space on this right side. So there's a small space here. This one has a safe, and we have our luggages here. And there's a big closet right here. So let's open this up. Oh, this one won't open. Okay, there we go. It opened up. So that one has an extra pillow and blanket up there. An iron and ironing board, luggage rack, and a bunch of hangers. We have our jackets up there already. It's very warm out here. And across from the closet space, we have this nice bathroom. It has a single sink with the pharmacopoeia products that we're used to at all the Hyatt Regencies we've been to. And below we have the towels. What is this? Makeup remover. And there's a hair dryer back here. So there's the hair dryer right here. There's the toilet, and this one actually has a pretty big tub. So there's a shower and the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash by Pharmacopoeia. Let's head out of here and check out the bedroom. So this one actually has a full kitchen. Check it out. So there's a sink right there, the washer and dryer. I don't know if there's anything in these drawers, but there's a stove, the microwave, and there's stuff in these drawers. So you have all your glasses up there, all your dishes and some mugs. There's a coffee maker with some K-cups. And below, you have all your kitchen stuff. So this one's fully stocked. There's a toaster down there. And over here, some pots and pans. That one is empty. And you have a full-size fridge here. It's empty. And I think there's just some bottled waters here they provided. So there's 4 bottled waters there. I don't know what's in these other drawers. Let's see. Oh, they even have a blender. And that's just your trash bin, sponge with dishwashing liquid. And they have this nice little bar seating right here with 2 bar seats, so that's pretty nice. There's the king size bed. I mean, feels okay. I mean, it looks kind of dated, but that's fine. So they have charging ports on both sides of the bed on the lamp. So there's USB-A ports right there and your standard AC outlet. And over here we have this small sofa. And I didn't think it had a pull-out sofa bed, but it does. So you can sleep a couple of people in here. A small table right there. About a 60-inch big screen TV. And these drawers are all empty, so you can put all your other stuff in there. Now let's check out our view. We have a pretty nice view here. So let's open this up. This door is heavy. So we have a couple of chairs here and this table. And we have a view of the bay here and this other resort across from us. And here's Clearwater Beach. So it's very nice out here and the weather is perfect. So we can't wait to check out the beach later. But what do you guys think of this room? I know it's a little bit dated, but it looks fine to us, so let us know in the comment section. During check-in, they gave us these 2 cards for towels. So you can get 2 towels per card. And you have to return this at the end of your stay or they'll charge you $50. So make sure we keep these cards because it'll cost you $50 if you don't give them back. Now let's check out the available dining options. Shore American Seafood Grill is the resort's main restaurant. It has a bright coastal feel with a really relaxed vibe, and the menu highlights fresh seafood and American dishes with that classic Gulf Coast flavor. You can sit indoors or out on the terrace, which is perfect for enjoying those Clearwater Beach views. Breakfast options here were plentiful, with both a buffet and a la carte dishes. The buffet had a decent amount of dishes, which featured your traditional continental breakfast items, as well as an omelette station. We don't eat much for breakfast, so we opted for the a la carte items. We started with coffee and juice. I highly recommend the crab cake Benedict, along with the steak and eggs. The crab cake was all crab and no filler, and the steak was seasoned well and very tender. We also ordered a fruit platter, which came with a generous serving of freshly sliced fruit. It was a great start to the day, and we definitely recommend having breakfast here. We also returned for dinner and ordered a short rib pasta, which was a huge portion, and a taste of shore, which I highly recommend. It included steak, with potatoes, grilled shrimp, and a lump crab cake. For dessert, we tried the key lime pie, but they added too much toppings, which unfortunately took away from the flavor of the pie itself. Overall, we enjoyed dining at Shore, and we recommend trying it out if you're staying here. Right across from Shore, you'll find a market. Just grab and go shop is perfect for a quick breakfast, snacks, or drinks, as well as beach essentials and souvenirs. It's ideal for a quick stop before heading to the beach or exploring Clearwater. Now let's check out the pool, located on the 8th floor terrace with amazing views of Clearwater Beach and the Gulf. It's heated, so you can swim comfortably year-round with plenty of lounge chairs available. For more privacy, there are cabanas with TVs and lounge space, as well as a tiny kids pool. And if you get hungry, Tropico Rooftop Cantina is here too, serving Latin-inspired dishes and cocktails with panoramic ocean views. Ideal for lunch, dinner, or sunset drinks. If you want to go even higher, the 16th floor Sky Terrace has a relaxing hot tub with stunning city and Gulf views. Open daily from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., these outdoor decks are the perfect spot to soak up the sun or unwind in the evening. This area also serves as an event venue as it was closed off for a wedding during the afternoon. Let's take a quick look at the fitness center here. So on this side, we have some Peloton bikes, some ellipticals, there's a rowing machine over there, and some treadmills right here. We have the water station here with some towels, some dumbbells, and a couple of benches. Let's see, over here we have a cable machine and some more exercise machines by the wall. So it's a very small fitness center, but they have some nice modern equipment here. And right beside the gym is the Sundaba Spa. So if you want to spoil yourself with a treatment, you can check it out over here. If you need to print documents or check emails, there's a 24-hour business center located on the second floor. Washer and dryers are also available, allowing guests to pack less clothing when staying here. The resort offers about 20,000 square feet of flexible indoor and outdoor event space. There are multiple ballrooms of various sizes, plus the 16th floor sky terrace, which provides stunning golf views, perfect for weddings or special events. Hyatt Regency Clearwater Beach is perfectly situated right on Clearwater Beach, just steps from the soft white sand and turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Hotel guests can also rent 2 beach chairs and an umbrella for $20, making it easy to enjoy a full day by the water. The sunsets here are absolutely stunning, and we were lucky enough to catch one during our stay. You're also within walking distance of Pier 60, local shops, restaurants, and entertainment, making it an ideal spot for both beach lovers and those looking to explore the area. We had a great time during our stay, and definitely recommend it for families or groups of friends who want to be close to all the action, with a beautiful beach just steps away. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think of this resort. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next travel adventure.